Hello traders, this is Andy with Trade Ideas. It is September the 29th, not only the last trading day of the month, but the last trading day of the quarter. And could be seeing a little window dressing this morning, a nice little gap up in the SPY. But boy, we're still under pressure. We have a lot of work to do for this tape to get bullish again. But nonetheless, let's take a look at some setups. First on the list is Groupon. This has been the trade of the week for a couple of times and really setting up nicely. Remember, this has a high short float around 35%. Gets above that 14, could get a little crazy. I'm actually already in that. Bought it yesterday. FedEx, this is after earnings. It's been holding up really well, not giving much back after earnings. Volatile for sure, but if it gets above this, looks like it's going to gap up above this, 2-week high or whatever it is. 270 is a key number there. If it can get through that 270, let's put your alert in there. SBRA is on my list this morning to keep an eye on, and you can see why. Look at it bounce off, holding this 50-day moving average, and looking for maybe to take out this wick going back to 1435. So SBRA, old school Mattel, toy company. Relative strength, you can see it is above all its moving averages. It's a key level right here around the 2240 level. It's got a price alert there, just a alert me when that happens or if that happens. And the last one on the list is I talked about Groupon, Mattel, FedEx. Boy, I think I hit them all today. LPG, let's take a look at LPG. This was actually on Mike's strength alerts for the week. So this LPG is another nice little setup there, and you can see what I'm talking about. Nice little move with a decent volume, and then kind of going sideways. Put your alert around, maybe just below that 30, so you can get a heads up if it wants to break out that area. Potential cup and handle there. All right, have a great weekend. I'll talk to you Monday. Bye-bye.